Message will come the National Democratic Congress, NDC. NDC for Woman can't say Muka Crancham. Now, as a man making a prophecy, Monfanto. More follow me with her channel. And some me can't during the election, before the election, has come to pass. Omo mudi machingo me can't. Now, some make a video we enra because the internet ain't prepared that a better. Na be ya dance here. Now one day, someone yamunyo ye the become wasem. To me, ne jia din. Na to me wo we see a jia. Ye here ni po madrimu daho. Our more tema. No more timid ya bot to me ho ban. To me ya bo ho ban. Mombo mu to me no ho ban. Na mu to me na mo nsa kano. Mombo ho ban. Me a party ni na me kasati se party ni. Muntie me. Mu to me na manfo no de mamo no. Mombo ho ban. Ni nti a me kasa ne se. Munye mu nyoma yi. At the rate my gino party no ebe hama drain na modie ne beye so fast modie ne beye ntem na beye mo sesini me kan kire mo bia na ada ne ho se o yesi afifufu ma na ese na ndo bi ewiase no sisi anipa aba mo drain dem tete adwen no enya adwuma ne o. Politics has taken a new dimension. New generation of people and aba every new enti munya munioma ye mini constituency chairman enenam for the past 4 months a constituency chairman afre CEOs afre ministers of states omoye ne colleagues omoye ne nkrofo na oni omo nenam for 4 months obi ni wa fa ne call baako omo nyina obi amfa ne call. For 4 months, a whole constituency chairman, every CEO, every minister, every appointee be wo baby. 4 months, if you are not open information, a constituency chairman, every for 4 months, now on fan a call. Maybe so. Now, a constituency chairman, be frewo CEO and a minister for 4 months, now on fan a call. Nati, se branch chairman. And as a ward coordinator, and so Fred constituency chairman for 4 months. Now constituency chairman, so I'm branch chairman and now ward coordinator. A caller, maybe some mubenya party structure be was your now. I'm asking. The way a constituency chairman, every CEO, and now offer appointee be a one fan in the name of my busy muye meetings. Na me be so when we need power and how many clients been in a meeting. You are attending to the customer. Our supplier now my product. Emma ultimate so they co negotiate with the customer. What's the supplier no here? Okay, see a more contact wa now be banana supplier see me new product I made be mawa. Who we be a can wasem. Maza at the rate of my normal party for no NDC, man share ya mu lose by your time. As we are making the hypocrites ones, Bababeo, and a guy, a party, a bay, and ya no na make man share ya see horse say the at the rate of was your Huriban one. Some of the primaries be boom, man, Mubabu say Kojo talk. Me Pamucho making more tema for the party. No, sorry, no more acting on it. Obi frewa fampone can trotcheno. That is the biggest respect. Don't ignore them. You will need them to renew your power. You will need them. I don't need to tell you this. Pick their calls and talk to them. You still have a party. And in the Bemwa Ba Baimu. There are constituencies. Constituency chairman for Yinana Musu Aden. No more the chairman for them. They can't even organize meetings. They can't call meetings. Some of the MPs are running. It's a big problem. A solve problem. No, President Mahama me pauto. What point is no two or more. Na party for no, especially chairman and other people no from fa. no muntie oma some mbeka ebi wo mpa na enye so mu bebi so musika. They need some informations. Asama mi kai mommy anhwe wa mu be sumwani ewiase mo bia nya na adwen se ATS bi da ho mo bi ewiase asesa o saa na ano ho mentality na ye de to aba enye bi ne ye de to aba sisia o omo aye wo mu 2010 ye from the alpha generation omo ba be to aba 2028. And if you know how these people think, mon fa ne o mani agro mon so communication mu ye se wonya bibi mani pa no kra won ne nkasa munyai ahomaso na mo ne nkrofo nkasa ba bia wote no eya appointment eye gwemu na de mo akotena ho muntiti omu yi enye saa mo besu afa mo ha won ya mo ye wuntumi mo no saa pepepe no mo de bem mepa mo cho asemi chama na sie dun katia mo fa mo nan si ho bande mo fa mo nan si ho na mo address asemi yi na ye hadwe medamase bye bye re ma bye we. Oh, me pamochao. This message goes to the highest authority who is in charge of national security, the police department, and everybody. Me pamochao. Aban we goodwill a yekitano. Muma yehwe ye na yanse no. Me NDC ni pa and mu amunim me no. Me kasai. Me bombodi say na MPP aban na eteso no na widi sem ano di oman mu fo ne na nyamra sem ne ahomaso a na omukita na etete oman fo no ye be sore ne aka ho asem and ye wo opposition no I spoke me kasai against it and ya ba aban mu mesramo aban we mu goodwill mu hwe yi na man say no ye mu bi ye beka a kire mo na ye pese ye party no ye tenase ne ye ruli Ghana na ye Ghana ne ye reset ne ma be ye Ghana pepe pese na nipa peninti no ye bekasa the national security Mr. Razak me pauchao ma wani nkofom emrantie bi atia gukrom a omu disturb car dealers me yes spare part ho adwuma and when it comes to car dealers they are my people. And I can tell you, sir, when you touch them, you touch me. I will not sit down and share any high. Now, crofon for or time and gun crofo yuma. There be. Metiasia, yes, say, cars in Ibi or a bar, a stolen cars. We all agree. Chrono dear, Obiani was support to chrono. Obiani was support to chrono. Enti chrono dear, yen na yempe. But the issue is, abrochiho, se muni muni yakoso, abrofunu biankasa, timi tonton mo cars, eman krofo, wa shepo car na bedru awie no ma sa akwa report, no ma ko jiska insurance. Wonim, se sa niema we ekoso. The security agencies over there, they knew all these problems. Wobi wa car no wa talk, wonim se eye running, no dia bedru. Mimi problem kesia me won se, abaye. All what it takes as a government car ni bedura you can check less than 1 minute to see a car no is stolen and is stolen at the port. Why do you wait for the people to pay taxes on the cars? Womu to tax no mu car ni pia na nkrophobia kwatetegate ti no magic car na from nsem se car no is stolen car. Some yes, sir, you are not being fair with the people. One year the car now be accomplished. But buying so I will share ya UGC can two also accomplish. Because what the idea is stolen who revenue. You have all what it takes to check that. It's just 2 seconds to check the car no stolen and then stolen. Me pamuchao ebimu de your time I person will gun for life and for nyani easy. Obiwe ko yi 600,000 500,000 atwa revenue e Ghana ha na magine car no kra moji a monhu babia nipa mo nkyere ne babia mo de kɔ na onkodi akire no hu ne nti a magi car no ofra mo kra obi aso mfa enyo mo maye ndi saa de we yachi saa niema wei en MPP ye ya amanfo tan a wo yenka asekron no ye but ye sremo momien titi ade ani ye se na be ya ye goodwill na ya nya no yɛbɛkɔ so I enjoy car dealers ye nipa bi a sɛ wo taakye ɔmo no wanhwɛ yi a wa ban enche me ka me kyerɛ mo muntie ne amekan na me pemuye me mpem wo sɛ ye Saudi pane de car ba na ebesi wa mon check ehu se car ne ye correct answer mo be ma na betua duty mama na betua mon twɛn emma ne nsa betua duty otua wia na magic car na firi nsɛm mpa mo kyɛw ɛna sisi a akoye so obia na mo gege car obia uhu ba bi ofiri yaage ye firi ha yaage ye firi nti me srɛ Mr. President me pau chow mo wani conform me pau chow NDC ye nte saa yedin na babi asisi a nipa bi na omu bedinti babi a yedin ne kon enye mumfa mu nansi fam na asema ameken munye mu hwehwe na emmoa NDC party no medam ase bye bye